Hey, it's Darla, your crafty yarn owl. I have a couple of things to show you. I have an announcement and I have a question. All right, first thing we'll do is the announcement. This week I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. There will be yarn included and there'll be other miniatures because I do make miniature scenes, fairy gardens, shadow box pictures. So that'll be sometime this week where I have the 500 subscriber giveaway, and I want to thank you all so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking my content. It really, really, really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And so the giveaway is to give back to you guys for what you're doing, for helping me grow this channel. I thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So, in one of my other videos, I was saying that I was making a shawl. It's actually my very first shawl. I started one before, but I didn't finish it. That was years ago. I know where it is. Anyway, maybe I'll get back to it one day, maybe not. But this shawl I am wearing right now, and it was made with Red Heart Roll With It Sparkle. It's 150 gram. I used two skeins of yarn, and it required a 5mm crochet hook. I know this is going to be backwards in the camera, so sorry. Sometimes I like to look at myself when I'm talking. So yeah, I'm wearing it right now. So this is it. There were pictures at the end of this video of the shawl. So yeah, this is it. There'll be pictures at the end of the video of me wearing the shawl and not wearing the shawl, just having it lie on the bed, and then also a picture of the back if you'd like to see the length of it. Just continue watching through my this video. So yeah, I used 2 balls, and this is what I had left. That's it. Trying to just show you the sparkles. There are sparkles. Yeah, it's very pretty. Okay, so that's the announcement, and that's my finished shawl. And then this yarn was in one of my shopping videos, Bernat Bundle Brights Yarn Inspirations. It requires 8mm crochet hook. Again, it's backwards in the video. It has different textures in this yarn. I thought that was really cool. So, actually different shades of blue as well. There's a darker blue, a lighter blue. It's 53 acrylic, 47 polyester, 250 gram. The color is called Blue Jay, and I have 2 of them. Now, my question, what should I make with these? I am thinking, should I try a corner-to-corner blanket? Like just a small blanket, like a lap blanket or something? Would that work? Tell me what you think. I know on here it shows a picture you're doing them, you know, in different rows, the textures. Actually, yeah, it shows different colors here, yellow and beige and stuff. But have you ever used this yarn? The Bernat Bundle Brights. Bundle Brights. It's very thick. Of course, if it requires a, 8mm hook, yeah, it's pretty thick. Yeah. So, if you ever crocheted anything with this, let me know what you made. I would really, really like that. And if you like the yarn, if it worked out well for you, Anyway, so that's the end of my video, except for the pictures of the shawl at the end of the video. Stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned for my 500 subscriber giveaway, which will be happening sometime this week. I'm waiting for something to arrive in the mail that I'm going to be putting in the giveaway as well, which I expected to get today or tomorrow. I didn't get it today. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for joining my channel. I really, really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you again real soon. Thank you.